Hi, it's Dr. Jon Perlman, Beverly Hills plastic surgeon. One of the nuances of breast augmentation surgery is the change in the cleavage area, an area that's often exposed and is an area of beauty in the female body. So many patients, or some patients who want to have larger breasts, also are concerned about the quality of their cleavage. And I found that the potential for achieving a wonderful cleavage varies from person to person based on a few factors. And I'll show you the two extremes. One might be a woman who has a naturally narrow cleavage but just doesn't have much breast volume, with good nipple position in terms of being reasonably well centered rather than out to the outside. And that patient, just by restoring fullness by placement of breast implants, whether it's above or below the muscle, whether it's done through the underarm, or whether it's saline or silicone or a nipple incision, etc., that patient is going to have a really nice improvement in their cleavage. The opposite extreme might be a patient whose nipples are very wide set. And we don't want to make incisions to try to move them, and that's not that effective anyway. So for that patient, we have to explain we need the implants to be somewhat centered behind your nipples, or else that may displace the nipples. For example, if I were to intentionally put implants very close to the midline of the chest, and your nipples are wide set, they're going to turn outward, and it's going to worsen that. So that's unacceptable. So for the patient who cannot have a large implant placed that would have the width to extend across to the cleavage area in a significant way, and the patient who has wide set nipples, I explain, let's make the breasts that you were naturally born with and developed nicer. Let's improve them. Let's enhance them. But in that case, you may need to rely on an underwire bra to really enhance your cleavage. Because breasts naturally fall outward and downward by gravity just because of the shape of the ribs. So there's a limit to how much enhancement of the cleavage can occur if a patient has either very small breasts or very wide set nipples. Hope that helps you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Feel free to call us if you'd like to discuss breast augmentation surgery. Our number is 310-854-0031 here in Beverly Hills. And my email is jperlmanmd@gmail.com. I'll be happy to respond to your questions. I look forward to seeing you in person.